Here I have OPPO Reno 5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to get iPhone keyboard on this device. So to get the iPhone keyboard, all you have to do is to just download the app Keyboard for iPhone 12 iOS keyboard from the Play Store. Then you have to open this app. Then you have to give it all the permissions it requires. Tap next. Watch some super ads. Then you have to enable this keyboard. Then you have to switch this keyboard from the Gboard to this keyboard. And now you can type. Wow, like on the iPhone. Unbelievable. You can also, for example, change the themes of this keyboard. You can select languages here and all the other settings of this iPhone keyboard. You can change fonts. Wow, you have a lot of different fonts here. So, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.